Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to grow your search rank position in YouTube starting from basically scratch. I'm going to help me get more views using keywords, tags, and embedded description. So let's get right to it. First of all, economic indicators is not a good title because there's got to be tons and tons and tons of economic indicator keywords out there, and you're probably the millionth or the 10 millionth one out there. Let's go ahead and check this thing out called TubeBuddy, and we click on it. We go to Launch Keyword Explorer Now, and I go to Economic Indicators. I think that's what I typed. Hit Explore, and immediately it gave me an overall score of poor. So my title is poor, and the reason is, look at the score analysis down here. It's got a lot of searches, which is great. Looks like there's 1.35 million people with that type of title. So I'm competing with 1.35 million. Let's see if we can tighten this up a little bit. Just a quick interruption. If you like this video and you want to see more, please help me out by clicking that subscribe button and leaving a comment below. That'll help me create content for the future. Thanks. Like Economic Indicators Explained here. That's a little better, but not the best. How about Economic Indicators for non-economists? And it's just trial and error. But you see them in the yellow now, not in the green, but it's getting better. Economic indicators for non-economists explained. We're going to keep it at this because it's better than what we have, and it's almost in the green now, and we can explore later and really figure this out. But I'm going to copy that, or I could have just clicked copy here, because TubeBuddy is definitely meant to save you time. I love TubeBuddy so far. I've only been using it for a couple days. Anyways, boom, Economic Indicators for Non-Economists Explained. Probably not the best title, but we're going to go with it because we don't have much better right now. And let's just be real here, and we're going to tighten this up a little bit more by going to the emojifinder.com, and we're just going to type in, I don't know, economy, nothing. How about stats? Nothing. How about chart? Chart, economic indicators. Let's go ahead and just click one. Let's click the red one. Boom, it's copied. Go back to the video, put that in front of my title, and people are gonna say, oh, that's cool, he's got it must be legit, it's got a chart in it, right? Same thing with the description. Put a couple in there, and now in the description, what you wanna do is you wanna have whatever's in your title to reflect in the description as well. So, learn about economic indicators without being an economist. You know, put whatever you want on there, but it's got to reflect the title a little bit. You're going to add more content for sure. By the way, I'm going to add more content. A little short plug here. I go to my Google Keep, which keeps a bunch of stuff that I started accumulating. My affiliate links are all here, and my descriptions my generic description is what I want to use. So from this point on is what I would put at the end of my description to kind of entice people to click more, to click on my affiliates. It's got to be somewhat relevant to your video, or at least in mine I have a stopping point where it says stop here. You don't have to read beyond this to learn about this video. However, this is how I promote other sites. So if you keep going down, you'll see I have like a review that I did, my homepage, my blog, C++ programming, because I have a lot of those on the playlist, social media. But I also have all of the different products that I use to create these videos, because a lot of people are trying to create their own content. Final Cut Pro, I use that. I use MTuber, I use Title Effects, MArrows. I use all these things. I use Canva.com to create thumbnails. I use Remove.bg to remove a background from a picture. Anyways, so that's why I can paste that in every video, because all my videos is transparent. They're all transparent. If you want to learn how I built the video, how I made the video, it's all transparent. Anyways, we've got that figured out. We've got a description. We've got a title. Let's go to keywords. The only keywords I have in there is economic, indicator, and economy. Let's see if we can find more of those. We're going to use TubeBuddy again to do that. So we're going to go to another YouTube page, and we're going to type in economic indicator explained. Anyways, what you want to do is look for one that has a high number of views and not too long ago. None of them have too high reviews on this particular page. 4.4K, 1 year ago, cool. We don't have to watch the video, but on the right-hand side, you'll see a bunch of statistics that are useful, right? But what we're really looking for is those keywords. GDP, I didn't think of that one. Unemployment, that's a good one. Poverty rate, that's a good one. Normally, with a different video, you'd end up with like 50 keywords, and it would be hard to just copy them. But in this, TubeBuddy, you just click on copy to. Now, you can copy it to a tag list. Let's say you have a bunch of stuff in your playlist that have the same tags. TubeBuddy will make your life so much easier. I'm not going to mess with that right now. I'm just going to copy it to a clipboard, go back to my video, and paste it in my tags. So economy, I already have, so I'm going to delete that one. GDP is great, unemployment's good, poverty rate's good, and then you can add more, right? So that's one way to do it, save those changes. I do kind of like that thumbnail, except there's no words on it. Another video I'm going to link to will show you how to put a creative thumbnail on there. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, leave a comment below, let me know how, and also subscribe. That'll help me grow my channel and continue creating videos like this.